Now I will show you how you can create a perfect LinkedIn headline for your LinkedIn profile. Your headline appears right below your name and is a key part of your LinkedIn profile. It should describe who you are and what you do. Use relevant keyword to your industry and make your LinkedIn profile more discoverable. In simple words, your LinkedIn profile headline is short resume of your career. So when people view your LinkedIn profile, they totally understand what kind of services you are providing and what kind of degree you have and what kind of skill you have. Your headline should be more than just your keyword. Now I will show you how you can write a perfect headline. You just need to click on this pencil, and after this you just need to write your first name, last name that you already wrote, and here you just need to write your headline. For example, I am just pasting here affiliate manager, BPA in marketing, expert in affiliate marketing, relationship manager and digital strategy. And now different more things are available. You can select your industry. For example, I am just selecting here marketing, and now different marketing sectors are available. You can choose according to your requirement. And here is a university, and here you can also put your website link, your blogs link, your YouTube channel link. So different things you can add here according to your requirement, and once you are satisfied, then you just need to click on save. And if you want to edit your contact info like your phone number, email address, you just need to click here, and from here you can write your phone number and anything according to your requirement. And now question is why LinkedIn headline is important and why we need to put here proper keyword. For example, if someone need QuickBook expert and someone is a recruiter and he is finding QuickBook expert, he will just write here the QuickBook expert. And now LinkedIn only show me those profile that are using QuickBook expert keyword. Now I want to show you, and now you can see that because this is a new profile, that is why its profile visibility is almost zero. Now this is a my LinkedIn profile. I'm just writing here the QuickBook expert, and now you can see that. And then I just need to click on people, and now you can see that LinkedIn only showing me those profiles that are using keyword QuickBooks expert, QuickBook, and now you can see that QuickBook expert. So in this way, recruiters and the owner find the target audience with the help of keyword. That is why your keyword should be updated. For example, let's take one more example. I'm just writing here the Java expert. And now LinkedIn only show me those persons that are using the keyword Java developer, Java expert in their LinkedIn headline. So that is why your LinkedIn headline is important if you are searching job, if you are searching for your work, and if you are searching for anything, your LinkedIn headline is important.